Hello my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Danica. I am so sorry to be so up close and so personal, but today it's gonna be all about the eyes, focusing on the eyes, on the frame of the face. I just did my lashes at home by myself in literally 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see how I did that, oh, before I get there, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. And like I said, I'm going to show you guys how I did my eyelash extensions at home. So without any further ado, let's get right on into today's video.
The way you move, the way you groove it, turn me on. The way you wear that thing is like you Rihanna.
Alright, so I got these Russian style strip lashes from Amazon, and these are what I'm going to be using to achieve that look. They are actually 5 pairs of 4 different styles in this thing, but I feel like these ones right here is gonna give me the look that I desire. So I'm gonna go with these ones. So I'm gonna be using these, and then I have my trusty dusty, all reliable. If you are not comfortable with using this, please do not, because it could end not well. Oh, am I focused? Yes, that, my tweezer, just a little container to put the glue in, and a scissors. I don't have a scissors. I'm not gonna show you guys what I have, because it's a little bit embarrassing. Anyways, I have a video of this on my channel, but this is more of the updated version. The one that I had previously is more tedious, and this one is, I'm sure, gonna be done in less than a few minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. There we go. Do I have a, what do you call it, some type of clock shadow, 5 o'clock shadow, some shit like that. All right, let's go. A little up close, a little personal, but that's how I like it. Yeah, while you guys watch me do this, I have a quick little backstory. I am actually allergic to the glue or whatever it is they use when doing your eyelashes. So every time I get my lashes done, my eyes end up like extremely red. So the last time I did my lashes, which was sometime last year, my eyes were red, obviously, as usual. So my mom gave me a Visine to use on my eyes. So I was using this stuff for like 2-3 days, and I realized my eyes are still as red as the very first day. So I checked the expiry date. Mind you, we were in 2021. Checked the expiry date on the Visine that the lady gave me, and the expiration date was 2018. So I was using Visine on my eyes for a good 3 days without noticing that it was very well expired. My mom is the type of lady, she will have everything. She always got everything in she bag. But I have learned now, though she may have everything, please double, triple, quadruple check. Love her to death, but she really tried to off me. She really tried to blind me, and my eyes already don't work that well. Anyways, I'm gonna take my lash. This is a lash right here. Super pretty. She's pretty, she's cute, and I'm going to make it into 4 separate pieces. So I'm gonna fold it in half, or as best as I can. I'm gonna fold it in half like so, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna half the half, so it's gonna be 4 pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna cut these two pieces into halves. And that's gonna leave me with 4 pieces, in which I am going to go ahead and plop them into my eyes. This is the lash. So I'm just gonna take the lash and put the glue on the top of the band. So rather than how you put it underneath when you are putting on your straight lashes, I'm gonna put it on top because I'm gonna go and put it underneath my lash line. Not my lash line. Underneath my lashes rather than placing it on the top. So I'm put the glue over the top. And you don't want to do too much. Just enough. Once that is on there, I'm gonna take my eyelash, mirror, my lash, and put it underneath, as I explained just now. Lift your eye like this, and then just place it under. So, and you can take the butt of your tweezer and just push it up like so. Mine's starting to water a little bit because I don't know why. So that's the first piece that is on. As you could tell, the lashes are very curly. So that's the first piece, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 3 in, and we'll be back. This is it. Honestly, I think I put the inners on the outers and the outers on the inners, but this is it. I'm gonna take another piece though and put it on the outside. Probably a different style of lash. Yeah. There's these ones right here. I'm gonna take the outers from these two and put them on the ends, just to give it more of a wispier look. All right, start to finish without me talking or messing around, the second eye took me 5 minutes and 44 seconds. 5 minutes. So you could achieve this look. We all know lash extensions are costly. 1, 2, they are so time consuming. Like, you would literally take 2 hours to get your eyes done. 2-3 hours. Yes, it could be relaxing, but I don't know about you, but I don't got that kind of time. I'm a mom. I'm a mommy. So I ain't got that kind of time to be like farting around just to get my lashes done. So 10 minutes to do your eyes and save $200. Come on. Who wouldn't want to do this? Who wouldn't? Honestly. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.